Are you sick and tired of being that loser kid at school with the gamer shirt, doom scrolling through YouTube during the summer because you have no friends? Hi, I'm David, and in just 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the coolest but easiest flip to learn so that when you go back to school, they'll be calling you paralyzed for the rest of your life. Now to prove to you just how easy this move is, I'm going to do all these steps on concrete, even though I've only done 3 side flips in the last 4 years. Before you start attempting this move, make sure you have the following.
Limbs. 360.
Once you've made sure you have limbs and can 360, you are now ready to proceed to
Step 1.
In order to gather momentum for the side flip, you'll start with a little jog. If you 360 to the left, then you'll hop off your left foot, and then you'll turn about 45 degrees to your twisting side. To complete step 1, you'll do the same run up, but then add your 360 after both feet are planted. Make sure that before you jump, your lead arm is raised in front of your face, ready to swing down as if to dunk on Hasbullah.
Step 2.
For step 2, you'll do the same as in step 1, but this time you'll bring your knees up to your chest, tucking as you perform the 360 spin. Believe it or not, this is a real move that exists in parkour and freerunning, and it's called the Alien, probably because it should be illegal and sits on the border of what should and shouldn't be a real flip.
Step 3.
The final step is to take what you learned in step 2 and slowly turn it into the side flip by gradually throwing your lead arm more downwards and lifting your back shoulder in line with the flip. As you rotate in the air, it is critical that you turn your head over your shoulder and look for the ground so that you don't die. After 10,000 years of training and many attempts, you should now have mastered the side flip and are ready to ascend the high school social ladder. Congratulations, you've landed your first side flip, and you still have no friends. Don't be like me. Train somewhere safe. Leave a like if the video helped. Check out this fight scene.
Hey, Lolito Squirrel. Oh, where you go, Squirrel? Where you go? Bye, Squirrel.